Ebusuafo powder man na ho akyerɛ. Na menyim da bɔhwɛ World Cup a ihu Pepe ya no ye powder. Pepe Kejinizin wa World Cup. Na in America says he's been arraigned before the Accra Circuit Court. Nano de some more show on Captain Smart and some more catch the constituency for.
Atibiara metamano academy magomu aman nana enemy Koyo Smart Samanya Mesa Abosmo wogumu West here and one meeting watching us here na wonkum
the weather rain or shine. What happened was when your boko was one boko abrochi mo akoshebi. Na so what share the papa no jina TV do no luhu kolobu powder say Dustin powder say Columbia powder. Na manfu watifie na when you so efimere ba pam. Sisi ya Erica say nyimpa kokokoko 13 na wajina Accra Circuit Court. What's yera ye GSK.
Your money be how much? Eh?
2,000.
Your money be how much?
$9,000.
Your money be how much?
$500.
Your money be how much?
$500.
How much? How much?
$8,500.
Your money be how much?
5,000 Ghana cedis.
Your money be how much?
$8,500.
Your money be how much?
$9,200.
9,200 what? Your money be how much? $9,000 US. Fresh note.
$1,100.
Fresh note never actually. Wallahi, fresh note. Shake it. I give her fresh note. You know me. I talk and say my wife they break. When I carry the money, give her. He said make I give her my car. The other car happy now. Make it take my car. He say if you take my car, you don't go balance me. I go sell my car. Falla can't give her physical cities. We can't turn into dollars. Where I take give her. Make it give me my money. I tell issue. He said make I wait for Colombian transit visa. Foolish boy. You don't talk Colombian transit visa. I they take me go Bolivia. I pay 9,000. Take me go Bolivia. Your mother.
Sikana ashe.
Na powder man so na samore kai ne. Sikano aya den washo. Na my father ma kwenje do maza ka kire nkofo dey. I say oya sometimes yet Ghana krom hana ye bobra na nyenye ska. Yenya jidzi wo yemu dey sikan. Ye botum ye dza ye adwuma manfa so aba wo man. Ihe ankasempa ye tukwan ya kaji enwa ya aba. Ena inya sika biara so na wodi tukwan. So be a 100 million, 200 million or that kama agent man e dozi tukwan. Obedi wuska free. And you see this thing they call abrochikwan. Sebe ye desperate. Obejina engine when you are dying. I say de bia obedi wuska simple. Ona see powder man in nwe kezimi yo. Nko bia akaje enyumnyam dam World Cup. Hwenyim gwase and nkofu wagina court worugu wenyim ase. Ebe brother wasemi za ayam ya opa nkemensima amafu wenyu adwo ho abrofu wenyu adwo wodun sisi e wo record wuzina abesai.
All be lie.
Froster the missing no bottle wuzina do allegedly oye jaw. Inti Saturday Ibrahim abanan sa kana na chede more banging wakaya no visa contractor because ija on your national team baby awo hobi tamafu wajizi wonimu but amafu jiza wonyen at the end of the day no wahwe no DStv do nhwanezi wenya feeling bi no ho yawo na waka woni album watcher odine kejina court na damasemi enye powder man nkotin sabi ihare binum aso ye jimi fododo because obitum kwa chapel onyi passport bet nenzi yeni. And you think wombu kwasia boy abrochina warpe akwaneze before abodo airport na muskala warren ebo no hu I say, pede to kwana when you wonder how use the right process, know the right way, know the right things to do. Either ma sabi when yanku benina and tosheda and antem beds whisker manam wa a fili day ya baba.
The matter job hot.
Assembly Diloto. Hey!
All be lie.